Hello, Antioch men. I trust you're having a great day. It's my day off, and John Mark and I are trying to resurrect my old lawnmower and clean out our garage and bring some much needed order to it. As you can tell, it needs a lot of help. But I wanted to take a moment in the midst of my day off to talk to you about this Sunday, because this Sunday is Father's Day. I'm going to be bringing a message for our men, a message that I believe would impact every man you know. I want to encourage you to bring a man with you this weekend. I've recently been reading a book that has profoundly impacted my own life. I'm going to be making them available for all the men in our church, and beginning next week, we're going to start a bunch of new small groups and study groups where we encourage men for 9 weeks to read one chapter a week in this book and then talk about the discussion questions at the end of each chapter. But I want to give a copy free of charge to every man who is a first-time guest in our service this weekend. It's a book entitled Model Man: How to Move from Integrity to Legacy, written by Larry Stogstill, who's one of the greatest men of God I know anything about, from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. It's a very practical book. It talks about things like how we use our time, how we manage our relationships, how we spend our money, how we relate to God, how we find purpose, how we not only experience success, but also move into something even more important, and that's significance. And ultimately, how we live a life that builds and leaves a legacy. I know that's something that speaks to the heart of every man. For their life to have meaning, for their life to have meaning while they're here, and their life to continue to have meaning once they're gone. And this book really zeroes in on that with 9 simple chapters, very practical, very biblical, easy to read. Even someone who is not accustomed to reading the Bible or thinking of spiritual things would find this book to be a tremendous help and blessing and challenge. So I want to encourage you to bring a man with you this Sunday. It's going to be a great day. I'm asking God to help me in a special way to preach to men, especially men who don't know the Lord or men who are not a part of a church family. So join your faith with mine that God will move in a special way. And we're going to be making these available to all the men in our church, but we're going to be giving them free of charge to every man who's a first-time guest this Sunday. Well, as you can tell, I need to get back to my garage. It needs a whole lot of work. And Teresa's coming home next week. I want to surprise her, get some things done, so when she comes home, she feels like that I've invested some time in loving her through service. So I'll let you go, but I'll see you this Sunday. It's going to be a great day at Antioch Church. The very best is yet to come. Our men are right in the heart of that. So don't forget, bring a man with you this Sunday. You'll get a free copy of this great book, Model Man: How to Move from Integrity to Legacy. I'll see you then.